Hygiene it is the most important. To maintain to our patient, proper hygiene helps to there. Help because of the benefits of this.
Assuming I'll do the proper hand washing, I will sanitize and wear gloves. How are you?
I'm fine.
By the way, ma'am, my name is Purificación Orozco, your caregiver. Today, ma'am, you're going to take a bath for your proper hygiene. But wait for a while, I will prepare all the materials needed for you to be able to get your vital signs, okay? Assuming that I will prepare all the materials needed, I will remove my gloves, hand wash, sanitize, and put another gloves. Okay, and assuming I will get your vital signs and the result is normal, ma'am, are you able to walk on the bathroom? Let me assist you. Okay, first, take your fingers first. Secure the privacy of the patient. Can you please wash your hands first now? Is it your soup? And can you please wash your hand, your face? Can I have your denture first on? You need to brush your teeth. Okay, and then, assuming this is the bad side of the patient, let's undress the patient. Ma'am, can you please put soap on your body? And now I will put shampoo on your head and massage. Rinse the head together with the body. And put the towel on the patient's head. Put the soap on the legs. Massage up to the tiptoes. Rinse the legs. This part, and now the other part of the leg. Put the soap. Massage up to the tiptoe. Rinse the legs. Okay. This part. Ma'am, are you peeling teeth or poop? Let me assist you. Okay. Assuming the patient is done. Ma'am, can you please wash your private part and then the beginning. Assuming that she has already cleaned her private part and transfer the patient to the chair. Okay. Pat dry the patient. Okay, we're done bathing, ma'am. I will remove the gloves, hand wash, and sanitize. Where did you prepare to rest? On a chair, on a couch?
In the chair.
Okay, let me assist you, ma'am. Can you please put a lotion on your upper part? And now I will assist you to put a lotion on your legs. Massage the legs of the patient. And the other one. Okay, ma'am, we're done. Just wait for a while. I will do the aftercare, and when I come back, I will get your vital signs, okay? Assuming I will done with the aftercare, I will wash my hands, sanitize, and put another gloves. Okay, ma'am. Let me get your vital signs again. And assuming that I will get the vital signs and the result is normal, I will remove my gloves, hand wash, sanitize, do the documentation, and put it to my care plan.